Welcome to this tutorial on creating a gig on Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular platform that connects freelancers with clients looking for various services. To get started, you need to create a gig that showcases your skills and services. First, log into your Fiverr account and click on the Create a Gig button. You will be asked to choose a category for your gig. Select the category that best fits the service you are offering. For example, if you are a writer, choose the Writing and Translation category. Next, fill in the gig title and description. The title should be short and descriptive, while the description should provide more details about the service you are offering. Make sure to include relevant keywords to help clients find your gig. Now, set your pricing. Fiverr gigs start at $5 per project, but you can offer different packages with varying levels of service. For example, you can offer a basic package for $5, a standard package for $15, and a premium package for $30. Add some visuals to your gig to make it more appealing. You can upload images or videos that showcase your work or demonstrate your skills. Make sure the images are high quality and relevant to your service. Fill in the requirements section, where you specify what information you need from clients to complete the project. For example, if you are a writer, you may need the client to provide the topic, word count, and any specific requirements. Finally, review and publish your gig. Make sure everything is accurate and complete, and that you have followed all of Fiverr's guidelines. Once your gig is live, you can start marketing it to attract clients. Some best practices to keep in mind when creating a gig on Fiverr include being clear and concise in your description, using relevant keywords, and providing high-quality visuals. It is also important to set competitive pricing and to be responsive to client inquiries. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful gig on Fiverr and start attracting clients. Remember to always follow Fiverr's terms of service and to provide high-quality work to your clients. With the right gig and a bit of marketing, you can build a successful freelance business on Fiverr.